Dada.
Money.
Baby. Aya. Hi guys, it's me Nathan. Our lesson for today is about the types of weather.
Yay!
Sunny day,
What's this?
sunny day,
What's this?
sunny day,
This one.
raining day,
Raining day. This one.
raining day,
This one.
raining day, no?
Oh, this one.
Rain.
Windy day.
Look.
Oh, this one. What's this one? Oh, this one.
Look, look.
This one.
Cloudy day,
Oh, cloudy day. This one. Katong angry. What's this?
angry,
Oh,
angry, no?
oh, saan man ni siya?
Angry, no?
Yes, what's that?
Angry, no?
Oh. Stormy day. Dili angry storm. Unsa ni?
Look.
What's that?
Someone a fast.
Yes, what's that?
Someone a fast cat.
Yes, what's this?
Someone a fast cat.
Unsa ni ba? Unsa ni? Stormy.
Mommy, they fast nga.
Yes. Kani, what's this one? Oh. What's this? What's this?
Good day.
Cold day. Snow.
So good.
Oh, it's so cold. Yes. That is
Good.
the types of weather. What's this? Types
Drive.
of
Oh,
weather.
look, 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 look. Picky.
Types
Drive.
of weather.
Other.
Very good.
Look,